Sure, now they see this idiot now. No, now they see this idiot now. Now they see him. If to say a man do this kind of thing now, if to say a man do this kind of thing, all those many actresses, all these many feminists went through this country, una not go let person hear word. Una not go let person hear word. None of them don't post this picture now to address this issue. None of them post them. Where this foolish woman carry people for friend naked, child abuse, rape attempt. Nobody don't post them. I don't say for Ghana where you for come, eh? They know they teach us a lesson. But now God go punish you. God there, now go punish you for what you do this speaking today. So God now go punish the God of manhood. Now go punish you. The God where they fight for the boy child. Now go punish you. Idiot. Idiot. Internet kill all of you now. If you don't get picture supposed for internet, if you don't go that away, must you make fame by force? Idiot.